Damn, you can't even see my face. I'm at the studio. We doing a table read today for this movie. Alright, we're at the studio. We're about to do a table read. We're about to start shooting this movie. So y'all with me today. I don't got my microphone on. Forgive me. So I'm about to start working on a movie with my cousin and a guy he introduced me to who's a writer. So he already had a script. Now, generally, I don't really like working with scripts that's already written. So there's a whole bunch of different reasons, because then it turns into a fight about who owns it, and creative things. Sometimes I might want to change something, and people start feeling real close to their work, so they don't want to change. But anyway, so we're here at the studio, and what we're supposed to be doing today is having the actors, because he already selected actors. That's another thing I don't normally like. I like to be involved in every process, every step of the way. So we're going to be going over the script. We're going to be listening to the actors. We're going to be watching them, taking notes, and then making changes. That's why we're here at the studio today. This is called a casting call.
I think you're confused and lost.
See something I can remember.
Well, a lot of that.
Alright, that's in it now.
Yeah.
Alright.
What is it gonna say? It's gonna say rock.
It's gonna come from Mo Better Books. And the subject line is the Good Cookies the movie.
Look.
Good Cookies the movie.
Oh yeah. I just was telling Cam I'm gonna read the book. No, I definitely gonna read the book.
All right, so I also do that. I also read the narration as well. Okay. All right. Opening scene. And that's wrong because it says day, but it should be night. I'll change that. Candlelight flickering, music playing in the background. Soft music can be heard. Tony grunts. You feel so good, I can't take it.
Not yet. No, not yet.
Yes. Tony collapses on top of Cookie. He is out of breath. He rolls over. She gets up to retrieve a bullet-shaped vibrator from the dresser. What you doing with that thing?
Finishing the job. Oh, sorry.
That's all good. Cookie sits in her sex chair, starts to pleasure herself.
She did what?
Finishing the job.
In scene. Next scene.
Scene coming up soon.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, here's my email address. Right here where it says again.
Right here.
Okay.
I think it's me now.
Yeah. Yes. So. Yes. There. You see. Show the sign on the door that says Teachers Lounge. Inside the lounge, Cookie is talking with her best friend Carol.
Hey, Carol. Are you okay? It looks like you had a rough night.
Yeah, I called you last night to tell you about it.
I missed your call. Tony was at my house.
Carol rolls her eyes and sucks her teeth.
Again?
Yeah, girl. He didn't want to leave. He kept confessing his love and saying he's going to divorce his wife, blah, 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 so we can be together.
I don't know what you do to these men, but you have them all going crazy over you.
I can tell you what it is.
What?
It's the sex. They can't get enough of my sweet chocolate chip sugar cookies.
They laugh and slap fives. Tony walks in as they are laughing. Tony gets out of bed and walks towards Cookie. Don't worry, give me a couple of minutes to get myself together. I promise, the second one always takes longer. You gonna get yours? His words were faded out while Cookie closed her eyes and puts her head back. Tony's voice slowly fades out as she is pleasuring herself. Tony stands in front of her, talking, but his words are mute. Tony gets on his knees and kisses her inner thigh. Cookie pushes his head away. Tony smiles and starts sucking one of her breasts. Cookie breathes heavily as she has an orgasm. Once she is done, she gets up and walks to the bathroom, leaving Tony behind. Come on, baby, I'm hard as a rock right now. Let me get some more of them sweet cooked cookies.
No, I'm good. You got yours, I got mine. I'm sorry.
What the hell was that?
I know. You're thinking the same thing I'm thinking. What kind of movie is this, right? It's a little edgy. It's a little, The movie's called Cookie, and it's basically about this woman, right? And she drives men crazy, and she does that because she has like these good cookies or cookie. And when I say cookie, you know what I mean, right? And see this girl right here, she's the one playing the lead character, Cookie. Well, that was until, I'll come back to that later.
So I have to wait 3 more years? And we already been messing around for a year?
Look, I'm not asking for anything more than what we already have. I understand my situation is hard to deal with, so let's just ride it till the wheels fall off.
Okay. As long as we're on the same page, I'm not trying to lead you on. It is what it is until it's over.
Well, whatever you say, honey. It's your world, baby. I'm just a kid trying to get a cookie.
Before Carol and I went out tonight, my ex-boyfriend showed up at my house. I guess he just recently got released from prison and he came to my home unannounced.
Well, what did he want?
To pick up where we left off, before we went to jail.
What did he go to jail for? And how long was he in there?
He did 5 years for assault.
What, he assaulted you?
No, it wasn't me. It's a long story. I'm just glad Carol was there tonight. There's no telling what he would have done.
Don't worry, baby. I got you. I won't let him hurt you. They hug and leave the restaurant. She gives him a menacing glare on the way out. End scene. Next scene, Cookie is at her desk when Carol walks in.
Hey girl, how are the Rugrats today?
All right, first of all, my kids are not Rugrats, and they were fine, except that Tony Mitchell, he bullies all of his classmates, and I'm going to have to talk with his parents at the next parent-teacher conference.
I know all about little Tommy Mitchell. He pushed a boy last week, made him fall and hurt himself. That kid is trouble.
Well, I hope after I talk to his parents, they straighten him out.
I doubt it. In most cases, the bully gets bullied at home, so they return the favor at school or somewhere else.
Yep, hurt people hurt people.
True, but enough about that. What are you doing tonight?
I don't know, you tell me.
I thought you'd never ask. There is a new club called The Hot Spot. Want us to check it out?
Well, table read is over. We all went home and we planned for the next table read, but we had to do a little bit of recasting because this guy here, remember him? Yeah, he's not really an actor. He was just there reading the role because the person that's gonna play that part isn't there. And remember this girl? Yeah, she was playing the character Cookie. Well, until we talked about it after and explained to her that, you know, there's gonna be some partial nudity and simulated sex scenes. She didn't sign up for all of that. So we had to cast somebody else. But when we do our next table read, you'll see who that is. All right? That's it. That's just a day in the life. And remember, if you ever want to hit me up, click the link in the description, book your one-on-one video chat, and we can kick it about anything. You need a table read, you got a casting call, you don't know how to do it, holla at me, and I will tell you everything you need to know. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment. Catch you later.